Welcome to a special episode, guys. I was going to save this for when it was kind of complete, but I'm kind of excited about this next mod. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is kind of a big mod to the car. I'm getting the whole facelift done to it. So it's going to look like the 15 Plus, and it's going to have the ST front end. I was originally going to do like the base model version because that was easier to find, but I found this one. This is actually a Euro model, so it's got the plate thing here, which isn't really what I was going for, but it's definitely something different. I have the hood for it over here, the facelift hood, and I was actually going to do a shaved, filled in and shaved hood for the Mach 1 front end I did, but I have this hood for sale now, I guess. It's got the vents. It needs completely stripped and painted and prepped. I didn't even finish that part, honestly. But yeah, he had spray painted it this blue color, so I'm going to have that completely redone and get Tux Black. I just got done cleaning off the back frame. It was the same color. It missed a few spots, and I'm probably going to let this dry and then clean it again, and then hit it with like a black plastic paint. What else do I have? Now I'm not going to keep the ST grill probably. I'm going to try to find an aftermarket version. I'll see what I can find though, because I don't want to badge my car as an ST. And this kind of had a fun oversprays, so I might get all new lights, which is kind of expensive, or I'll just clean these if I can. I'm going to replace these with the LED version that's going to have lights down it. I'll go ahead and put the idea of the front end I want. I'm going to have new headlights. I don't have those yet. I'm going to get the ones that on the picture here. And yeah, this is the next big thing. So like I said, I am really excited. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, we picked this up the other night. Got a really good deal on it. And I'm really just ready to get it in paint and onto the car, because I'm going to really like this new front end. I hope you guys like the new front end on this, because woo, it's going to look good. Just, I don't know if I'm going to do the prep work for the paint. I might find a shop to do everything just so that's a little bit better. I did find a little dent on the hood. You can see that right there. Just a little dink. I might be able to get that fixed. But that's really the only blemish on it. This is also spray painted. This looks like it went from being brand new, unpainted, to having this blue spray paint, which it's not going to look good on my car. So that's all going to get redone. I'm going to try to get a custom logo for here. And what I'll probably do with the front plate is get the custom like Adeline Garage or something on there. Maybe just Adeline and text. Just something different. So that's really it for this video. I have a few other mods coming for the Focus. I need to do the back suspension so I can adjust the angles, and then I have the new exhaust that we need to do at some point. The race Mustang is taking up pretty much all of our time and all of our free time. So beyond that, I also have an announcement for you guys. If you check out We Bearded 2, that is now our second channel. We're just going to post up random stuff. The first two videos were new. So we have a new video coming out about one of mine, a camping trailer. So check that out. But until then, guys, go ahead and, like, comment, subscribe if you're new for this new project. It's going to be awesome. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.